set up your Amazon Associates account. Just go to Amazon Associates. You can type in the Google, and you're gonna type it into Google, and you're gonna find this screen here, and you're going to click Join Now for free. You're going to put in an email and a password. If you already have an Amazon account, you're going to put in your username and password here. If you don't, you're going to go ahead and create an Amazon account here. I'll go ahead and do one. For our test here. Oh, okay, hold on, let me get a different one. I'm going to do test. I'll do sample at loriballen.com. Okay, next you're going to set up your payee name, and this is going to be the exact name that should appear on the check. So you could do a business name or you could do a personal name. So let's just pretend I'm doing Lori's Sample Business, 123 Main Street, Las Vegas. We're going to do Nevada, 89115, and then put in a phone number. Click Next. Okay, we're going to verify the selected address. Now you need to enter your websites and your apps where you're going to use anything to do with Amazon Associates. And you can add up to 50 websites and mobile apps. So all of your blogs, all of your websites, anything with a top level domain, you're going to put in here. So in my case, I have the7thstream.com, loriballen.com, ballenvegas.com, midlifemonarch.com, etc., etc. Once you do that, let's just go ahead and do this one. Click Add. Then you're going to click Next, and you can add more later. Don't worry about that. Okay, and are any of these websites listed above directly for primary children under 13? No. Confirm. Okay, preferred associate store ID. So let's just say I want to call this one 7th Stream. I could see if that's available. And then what are my websites about? My website is about affiliate marketing. And then pick what topic your website is most about. And you can choose a secondary topic if you want. And then what type of Amazon products do you intend to list? So go ahead and select all of the ones that apply here. Okay, and then if you have mobile apps, you'll fill out these second ones. What type are your websites or mobile apps? I'm going to say mine is a blog, and it's a content or niche website. How do you drive traffic? So list all of the ways that you drive traffic to those websites or apps. How do you utilize your website and apps? And you're going to list if you have other affiliate programs or if you're just using Amazon Associates. And in my case, I have multiple. How do I build links? Through your blog editor, your content management system, your HTML editor. I'm going to put through my blog editor. How many total unique visitors? So if you're just starting, you can put less than 500. If you're in the mid-range, pick a number there. If you're more advanced, it'll be one of the higher ones. What's your primary reason for joining to monetize my website? How did you hear about us? You could put word of mouth or online search engine, and then you're going to put in this CAPTCHA code. All right, you'll go to the next page, and now it's got to call you with a verification number. And okay, once you verify your phone number, you're going to have the ability to go to the next page, and you're going to be able to start using Associate Central as long as Amazon approves you. And that is where you will find your tracking ID and access your codes and be able to go from there. I'm Lori Ballen with the7thstream.com. Thank you for joining me today.